going on, guys? I'm going to show you today how I'm changing the oil on my Piranha 140cc Race Edition. This is a 2021 model, but I think they're all the same from 2017 until the new model this year. The size for the oil plug is 17 millimeters, and it's located right under here on the bottom. I have my pan set up, and I got my new oil here ready to put in. So I'm going to go ahead and loosen this and keep you guys along. And I'll tighten that down. Now we're good to add the new oil in. I'm using Shell Rotella 15W40. It's just what we've always used in our bikes.